Hi, this video is for Dalco Electrical. My name is Hatter with NYC Marketers. We're shooting this free custom video for you guys to show you some ways how you can get more customers online, also how to beat out the competition, and grow your overall online presence. Now, some things I want to talk about in this video are going to be content, citations, and backlinks. Three things. I'm going to keep this video really short, just about 5 minutes. I hope you like what you see. And if you do, I really hope you contact me. We can work out a bigger game plan on how to get you guys ranking higher and getting more customers per month. If anything, this information is free and you can use it as you wish. I'll start off with the homepage of your website. And one thing Google loves to see is content. When I say content, I mean a lot of words. They want to see at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage, which are keyword rich. So I'm on the homepage of your website. And I see that you only have this piece right here which is written out. Everything else is pretty much blank. So I don't know if that's left intentionally or you're still working on your website, but it's completely blank. So you definitely want to make sure you put a lot of content on all these sections. And that's how your website's going to get ranked. That's how it's going to beat out the competitors. You definitely need a lot of more content on your website, more pictures, a lot more words, which are going to be keyword dense. Secondly, I want to talk about citations. Let me just bring you right here. Citations basically anywhere on the web where you can put your business information such as your name, address, and phone number. Now, most of these are going to go on online directories such as Facebook, Yelp, Home Advisor, Angie's List, White Pages, etc. The more you can put your information on different websites, the better for your business. It basically brings more visibility and more authority to your website. So I also did a quick search just to show you what a Google result comprises of. So the first thing anybody sees is this top section right here, which is called the Google Guaranteed section. This is a paid service through Google. You pay them and they put your ad out there. Secondly, we also have these ads, which are also about the same. You pay them and they put your ad out there. Thirdly, we have this section called the Google My Business, also known as Google Map Pack. Here you definitely want to have your business because they place the top three here and they get a lot of clicks and a lot of leads. So you want to make sure you put your business out there. One big way to get the business ranking here is to have a lot of citations. Lastly, we move on to this section. It's called the organic section. This is where companies beat out everybody else to make it to the first page. The first page of Google gets 95% of the clicks. People don't go to the second or third page. They just click on a business that's on the first page and ultimately become a customers who will pay. So this really works by putting a lot of content on your website, doing citations, and the last thing I want to talk about, getting a lot of good backlinks to your website. So this is a tool I use called Ahrefs. I pay for it every month. It gives me really good information. So backlink is basically any website that's pointing to your website, which drives traffic to you. So the more websites you have pointing to you, the more backlinks they're giving you, the more traffic you're going to get, and also the higher your ranking will be in Google and search results. Right now, you guys have 42 backlinks coming in from 4 referring domains. You're hitting 3 keywords, but you're not getting any traffic at all to your website as we speak. To put this into context for you, a top competitor in New York City are these guys. Now you can see it's a big difference here. They have 381 backlinks coming from 47 referring domains. They're targeting 414 keywords and they're getting about 600 people visiting their website every single month. This is where you want to be at, or even higher than this, and this is where you're currently at right now. So it's a lot of ways to boost these numbers up and get them really high. So what we do is we specialize in exactly what I told you and a lot more. Just ways to basically boost your business really fast and get you a lot of customers. In my opinion, the only purpose of a website is to drive traffic to your business, have the phones ringing, get customers, and get more business every single month. I really hope you found this video to be valuable. I would love to talk to you and hear what you think about the video. With that, thanks so much for watching. You have a great day.